Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 5 Picks 31. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you love kitchen gadgets as much as we do. Today, we're diving into the world of crispy, delicious food, made easy with the top 5 best air fryers of 2024. We've scoured the market, tested, and reviewed these top contenders to help you find the perfect air fryer for your kitchen. So, without further ado, let's get cooking. Number 5. Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 Air Fryer. This versatile kitchen powerhouse is not just an air fryer, but also a pressure cooker, steamer, slow cooker, and more. With its 5-quart capacity, it's perfect for families and meal prep. Let's dive into what makes this air fryer a standout choice for 2024. First off, the Ninja Foodi boasts a unique tender crisp technology that combines pressure cooking with air frying. This means you can cook your meals quickly, while still achieving that crispy finish we all love. The air fryer function uses a high-speed fan and a high-temperature heating element to create that perfect crispy texture, without the need for excess oil. In terms of design, it's compact enough to fit on most countertops, but spacious enough to handle a variety of dishes. The digital display is user-friendly, making it easy to select from its 6 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. On the plus side, the Ninja Foodi is incredibly versatile, and the cooking results are consistently impressive. However, it can be a bit on the pricey side, and its larger size might not be ideal for smaller kitchens. But if you're looking for an all-in-one solution that doesn't compromise on performance, the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 is a solid choice. Number 4. Chefman TurboFry. Next up at number 4, we have the Chefman TurboFry. This sleek and budget-friendly air fryer offers a great balance of functionality and affordability. It's designed to give you crispy results with minimal oil, making it a fantastic option for those who want to eat healthier without breaking the bank. The Chefman TurboFry comes with a 3.7-quart capacity, which is ideal for smaller households or for cooking side dishes. The manual dials are straightforward and easy to use, and the air fryer features an adjustable temperature range up to 400 degrees Celsius. One of the standout features of the TurboFry is its rapid air technology, which ensures even cooking and crispiness. The non-stick basket is easy to clean, and the overall design is compact and sleek, making it a great addition to any kitchen countertop. While the Chefman TurboFry offers excellent value for its price, it doesn't have as many features as some higher-end models. The temperature control is manual, so you might need to experiment a bit to get the perfect results. But if you're looking for a reliable and budget-friendly air fryer, this one is worth considering. Number 3. COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1. Taking the number 3 spot on our list is the COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1. If you're a fan of versatility and want an air fryer that can do more than just fry, then this model is definitely worth a look. With its extensive range of functions, it's like having a whole kitchen appliance set in one sleek unit. The COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 includes features like air frying, roasting, baking, dehydrating, and even pizza making. The 5.8-quart basket is spacious enough for a whole meal, and the digital touchscreen is user-friendly and responsive. One of the coolest features of the COSORI is its preset cooking options. With just a few taps, you can cook your favorite dishes to perfection. The air fryer also comes with a shake reminder to ensure even cooking, which is super handy. The COSORI air fryer is highly versatile and offers a lot of functionality for its price. However, it can be a bit bulky, so make sure you have enough counter space. Additionally, while the touchscreen is intuitive, it might take a little time to get used to all the settings. Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus. Coming in at number 2 is the Instant Vortex Plus. From the makers of the popular Instant Pot, this air fryer brings the same level of innovation and quality to your countertop. It's designed to be a multi-purpose appliance that excels at air frying, baking, and more. The Instant Vortex Plus features a 6-quart capacity, making it ideal for families or anyone who loves to cook in batches. It boasts 7 cooking functions including air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, dehydrate, and even a rotisserie option, which is a unique feature in this price range. The air fryer is known for its even crisp technology, which ensures that your food is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The digital interface is straightforward and comes with preset programs to make cooking a breeze. The Instant Vortex Plus is highly versatile and delivers consistent results. However, it can be a bit noisy during operation, and its larger footprint might not suit every kitchen. Despite these minor drawbacks, it's a top contender for those who want a high-performing and feature-packed air fryer. Number 1. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. And finally, our top pick for the best air fryer of 2024 is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. If you're looking for a premium air fryer with top-of-the-line features, this is the one for you. It's not just an air fryer, but also a multifunction toaster oven that brings professional-level performance to your kitchen. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro features an impressive 1 cubic foot capacity and comes with a range of functions including air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and even slow cook. The Element IQ technology ensures precise and even cooking by adjusting the heat distribution based on your selected cooking mode. The large, easy-to-read LCD screen and smart interface make it simple to choose between functions and set the cooking time and temperature. It also comes with a range of accessories, including a pizza stone and air fryer basket, which add to its versatility. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro offers exceptional performance and versatility, but it does come with a higher price tag. Its large size might also be a consideration for smaller kitchens. However, if you're looking for a top-of-the-line appliance that can do it all, this air fryer is definitely worth the investment. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 best air fryers of 2024. From versatile multi-function appliances to budget-friendly options, there's something for everyone. Which one of these air fryers caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to your channel name for more awesome reviews and kitchen tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.